Hey everyone, happy Monday, September 15th. I'm Endrit Sella, and this is Capital Markets Quickie. Let's jump into what's driving the week ahead. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. So, we've got a really big week ahead, and the spotlight is definitely on the Federal Reserve. On Wednesday, the Fed is set to announce its interest rate decision, and this could be the first rate cut of the year. Now, the labor market has been looking softer lately, but inflation is still elevated, so Powell's remarks afterward are going to be critical. Markets are already positioned for this, with stocks moving higher last week, even after a mixed finish on Friday. We'll also get some important economic data. Retail sales for August drop on Tuesday, giving us another look at how consumers are holding up, especially with tariffs in the background. Then on Wednesday, housing starts data will show how builders are coping with higher costs and a still tight market. And on Thursday, jobless claims will add more color on whether layoffs are starting to pick up. Corporate news will be just as active. On Wednesday evening, all eyes will be on Mark Zuckerberg at Meta Connect, the company's annual developer conference. He's expected to spotlight new products, especially AI-powered glasses, as Meta doubles down on artificial intelligence. On the earnings front, FedEx reports Thursday after the bell, and investors are looking for clues on global demand after the company suspended its full-year outlook last quarter. General Mills reports Wednesday, and Darden Restaurants follows Thursday, both giving us a read on consumer spending from very different angles. And one more to watch. Crypto exchange Bullish will post its very first report as a public company on Wednesday, which could be interesting given the recent volatility in digital assets. So it's a week where politics, economics, tech, and even crypto collide. The Fed's move and Powell's words will likely set the tone, but data, earnings, and events like MetaConnect will keep things moving. All right, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.